All right, hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about cleaning a hot tub. Now, the most important thing about a hot tub is, depending on what type of water treatment that you use, is to make sure that you keep your chemicals in balance. If you keep your chemicals in balance, then you have less likelihood that any buildup will occur on the sides, or any slime or dirt or things like that. Now, what you can do is to determine when you get ready to clean, and what you need to do is really depending on the water and the pH in the water and the makeup of the water. Now, to find out what that is, you can take a sample of that, take it to any local pool company, and they can analyze it for you, and then they can tell you what chemicals to add to balance out the pH, or to make the water to balance it out so that it will be clean. Now, if you get in a situation where the hot tub has been heavily used, or it's been out and you've got a lot of soiling, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to drain the hot tub. And now it's very important, if you're using a chlorine-based water treatment, then you don't really have to be careful about what you use to clean the hot tub. But if you use a non-chlorine water treatment, such as a bromide or a Bactrosil, you don't want to use anything that has any chlorine in the content for cleaning it. So you want to just use a mild detergent, or you want to check and see what is recommended by, like I said, either a professional pool company or a hot tub company as far as to use with the certain chemicals. But pretty much remember, if you keep your chemicals in balance, despite what water treatment you're using, then your hot tub is going to stay in a state where you're not going to have heavy soiling in there. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to clean your hot tub.